So DMN8 Partners' philosophy and guidelines around local SEO are based on primarily three things. One is Google Maps, and I'll talk about Google Maps ranking and our what we do with Google Maps in another video. But this is focused on local SEO, but Google Maps is definitely part of the local SEO strategy. So we optimize and manage Google Maps as part of that local strategy. So what's the difference between local SEO and SEO? Well, SEO is primarily related to your website. You want to have your website be fast, have calls to action, so easy for prospects to be able to contact you for a quote, phone, form, chat, all those things so a customer can communicate. Some people like text. We can do some SMS conversion on your website. And then page load speed. Like that thing needs to load quickly when you click on a link. There's nothing worse than doing search results, going to search results, clicking on your result, and then the website not loading. Well, we make sure that your website loads, and that's all part of SEO. But local SEO gets intent to the location, thus local SEO. Most people looking for a service in your local area are going to go to Google Maps first. And so you want to make sure that all the things around your location and your local intent are done as well, especially on your website. So you have location intent on your website, but also third-party areas. So places like directories, online business directories. They're also known as citations. Over the first 60, 90 days, we will create approximately 600 to 700 of these local business directory citations. Some of them are local to your market. Others are considered local directories. So they aren't necessarily just in your market, but every market, and they have a location specific aspect to it. Then the next piece is content and distribution. So we post to your Google Maps listing Monday through Friday. That's part of local SEO strategy. We also do it to your social media channels, Facebook and Instagram, which is actually a local SEO strategy, believe it or not, because it gives a signal to Google that you're an active business. But we also take it a step further, and we put the content, especially your blog content that we produce on your website, which we post blogs for our consulting clients weekly. For regular SEO clients, we'll post monthly. Post a blog, and that blog is distributed using various distribution channels to get that blog into the interwebs. Now, our blog guidelines are pretty simple. I want a 1,500 word blog at a minimum, if not more. And then I want us to answer questions that are asked in Google. So if you put your service into Google search, you scroll past the ads, then you scroll past Google Maps. The next section is called People Also Ask. And these are the questions that are asked around your service. And so what we'll do for you is write blog content around those questions so that your blog content begins to show up in Google. All of that combined helps to give you a focus in your location to help you be found Google Maps organically when someone searches for your services locally so you can dominate your market.